Hey, this is Mr. Mixon. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to find all your assignments on Google Classroom. First thing you want to do is open the Google Classroom app. And that will take you to your classes that you've joined. And all you have to do is click on the name of one of your classes, and it will open up a tab that shows you everything that's been posted by your teacher. Now, the best place to look for your assignments is to go and click on the classwork tab at the bottom, and here you can see those assignments organized by date. And any assignment that is grayed out here is going to be an assignment you've already completed. And assignment that isn't grayed out would be an assignment that still needs to be done. And when you click on the assignment, it will show you the directions for that assignment, the day that it's due, and the number of points that's worth. The Google Classroom will not show you your grade. So when you do complete an assignment, at the bottom you can click Mark as Done and turn it in. But again, you won't see a grade for this. Your grade for your assignments you'll find in PowerSchool. If you realize that you turned in the assignment too early or clicked on the wrong assignment by mistake, you can always unsubmit the assignment and it will pop back up for you to complete. And go back to our classwork tab. In the top left corner appears a menu. If you click on that, you'll see other options such as the calendar, which will take you to our class calendar and show you all the work for the month that you need to do. You can also change that to see all the work for the week or the day. And I'll click back to Classroom. And the other thing you can find in the menu tab is the to-do list. This to-do list will show you all your assignments for all your classes. And I can see everything that's assigned here. You can also see all my missing work that needs to be turned in and all the work that I've completed. So again, Google Classroom is a great place to find your work and assignments and see what's coming up and what you've already completed, but it's not going to show you your grades. PowerSchool is the best place to check for your grades and teacher comments.